What you doing?
Looking at this project.
What project? What do we got going on here? I just walked through a spider web. What we got going on over there?
Scrape all that off. Fill the cracks in with some caulk.
Filling up the cracks with some caulk, huh?
Yeah.
What else we doing in here? Paint?
Scraping the block and putting on some professional dry lock.
Some fancy dry lock, right?
It's gray with specks, something like
some
that.
Some $50 a gallon stuff, right?
Yeah.
Got some. Where'd you get that scroll saw? I got that same damn one.
Yeah.
Alright, what else we doing? So the garage is basically getting painted. What are we doing down here?
Well, I tore out the shelving that was underneath this basement staircase. We took out some old tile.
What was on the floor? Some peel and stick?
Yeah, same as right here.
Mm-hmm. Gonna get this all painted up with some dry lock?
Yeah. And this.
Okay.
This gotta go.
What gotta go? Ain't
the plumbing works, but it's just musty and moldy behind the walls, as you can see.
What's going on with that wall behind you?
It's just hollow.
So
on this side,
that's getting ripped out. This wall here.
Yeah. All that panel board's getting ripped out.
Show you where it goes here. So that's the back of the wall right up in there. Just gonna take all that out.
It's just hollow between the two rooms.
Okay.
And then dry lock everything in here.
Dry lock everything in here.
And possibly, if we have time this weekend, remove this old water filtration system.
Take out them tanks. Yeah, that's an old one right there.
Rain soft.
Rain soft. Take them on out of there.
That's about it for now.
Sort out all the plumbing.
Figure out what's up with this.
Kitchen exhaust fan, by the way, exhaust into the crawl space in the attic and not outside. I know for sure either the kitchen vent or the bathroom vent. One of them. So what we got going on up here? What happened in here?
A bomb went off.
A bomb went off. More like
as you can see over here, some jackass decided to put some
jackass
in-wall dressers.
Some bullshit shelves. Some drawers.
Same as right here.
Oh, Jesus.
And it just turns into a pain in the ass 50 years later.
So what was the deal with the paint?
Some jackass didn't mix it right, I guess.
Something happened with
some enamel and some latex and swirled it together and called it good.
Something happened with the paint because the paint was coming off in sheets bigger than a piece of paper. So this all had to get scraped down.
If you're not a fan of putting on cold pants, don't put dressers. And we're just going to
skim coat it
instead of doing the old swirl technique.
I'm just going to skim it with some compound right there. I already did a couple spots last night up here on the ceiling. That's drying up. What happened with this windowsill?
Well, I'm guessing there was a little pinhole outside on the flashing. Maybe the caulk
We open that?
off. And it started draining into the house.
So the caulking on the flashing here was garbage. Dried up. Water was getting all up under there. Going inside the wall. Rotted out the studs. Rotted out the sill. So we had to tear all that out.
It smelled like some mushrooms.
Yeah, it was pretty soggy. It was basically dirt behind the wall. So that all got ripped out and
place.
We'll bring it back when we got some stuff done around here. Got anything else to say? Alright, drink your coffee. Let's get to work.
I am.
Bunch of bullshit. Walls coming out. Mold. Mildew. Cut away floor joists. Let me get a shot of that floor joist here, buddy. All three. Get that big, like an inch of wood. There. Cut. Down here, cut. Taking this wall out right next to the shitter. Just gonna put a curtain up.
Call it that. Like a motherfucker.
Call it something. Pulling out a lot of garbage. Kind of soggy down there, huh?
Kind of.
That's why it's all getting ripped out. So it'll never be soggy again.
Ow.
When I ride my bike,
I ride it long. And I ride it hard.
just like the Texas rattlesnake.
Whooping on Vince McMahon. Ass!
Vince McMahon.
Yeah, you know.
Vince McMahon's ass. Dang, man, I didn't know you was taking all that out.
May as well.
May as well. Is it holding this pipe up here? Yeah, look. They fucking did that shit up for the pipe.
Yeah. Some dickhead's about to take some pictures. Suck my ass.
Ooh. That little ass roller on that pole.
Working.
Just about done, huh?
With the first cup.
First coat.